Innovation for waste minimization.
This is Becca's recommended spray gun cleaning procedure for the E100M manual waterborne spray gun cleaner. Clean the spray gun as soon as possible after its use. Dispose the paint left in the spray gun into an approved waste container. Rinse the spray gun with waterborne gun cleaning solution and pour the pre-rinse into the approved waste container. Be sure to trigger the gun over the container. Attach the quick disconnect to the spray gun to protect the air passageways. Remove the air cap and place it in the gun cleaner. Clean the fluid tip and fluid entry passage aggressively with the flow brush. Clean the air cap with the flow brush, making sure to clean the small holes in each air horn. Power flush the fluid passageway completely with the power pistol. With the air still connected, trigger the blowgun and spray gun to expel the solution. Then blow off the outer gun and the fluid passageway through the fluid entry passage. Blow off the air cap and reconnect it to the spray gun. Wipe down the outside of the spray gun and disconnect the QD. Your spray gun is now clean and dry, ready for its next use. Don't forget to review and follow the Tips from the Pros poster.
Innovation for waste minimization.